this video, we are going to walk through one of the major aspects of FAssets Open Beta, which is minting and redeeming. In order to mint and redeem, you need to tap on the mint screen or the mint button at the home screen. After that, you will be redirected to the demo app. On the first visit, you will need to connect your FLR and XRP wallet. If you don't have enough funds to mint, you can top up your balance using FAssets for the custom and test XRP networks. To start the minting process, we need to click on the mint button. A dialog window will open. It will show the maximum number of lots available for minting according to our XRP balance. In the input field, we need to specify the number of lots we want. In this case, the agent will be automatically assigned based on the availability of lots and the minimum minting fee. Alternatively, we can choose any agent from the available lists for minting the required FAssets. You should pay attention to two things. First is the minting fee, which essentially is the commission the user must pay to mint the FAssets. For example, if the agent has a fee of 0.25%, then for minting one lot, when one lot is 20 XRP, the user will pay the agent a commission of 0.05 XRP. Second thing is 3 lots. This amount of FAssets that the user can't mint from this agent. If the user's requirements are higher than the amount available from the agent, they will need to choose another agent with the same fee or an agent with a higher fee. So let's mint one lot together. You need to confirm transaction in our wallet. The minting process takes about 5 minutes. To redeem, click the redeem button. A dialog window will open. It will show the maximum number of lots available for redeeming according to our FAssets balance. So let's redeem one now together. You need to confirm the transaction in the wallet. The redemption process takes a couple of minutes. The main thing is not to accumulate too much so you don't slow down the system. Complete the full cycle of minting and then redeeming. You don't need to hold on to a bunch of FAssets. The goal is to keep things moving and test everything. And that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned a little bit about minting and redeeming FAssets. Stay tuned to more videos like this.